So we are back in the more Minecraft videos. So sorry if I delete the other Minecraft videos because I accidentally post it. So what the hell? Now it's lagging. Now we're gonna get, I guess. I just wanna say okay. And we're gonna game again because it's been lag. So I'm alone now because my mom and my brother is shopping and I'm alone in this house. So nahiba an idea. So I make a video about Minecraft again. This may take a while. Okay na. Sorry, I'm back. I'm just gonna say DC. That's mean disconnected.